Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is the monthly read for the Capricorn Sun, Moon and Rising people for the month of August. First of all, I am extremely sorry that I am too late for this reading. Secondly, this is a Celtic cross, and in Celtic cross we draw all these cards around one situation, whether that situation is prevailing in your love life or in your other relationships, or maybe in your career, job, or something which is very corporate type business and anything like that. Maybe it is the same situation which you are dealing in your health sector as well. So situation will remain the same, and you need to fix that situation according to your own scenario. Now over here I already have shuffled and drawn the cards. I think there are some certain kind of difficulty that Capricorn people are facing right now, and due to this difficulty, this is not something new. Due to this difficulty, they are not able to start any new relationship or any new commitment, new job, new business, anything that is new, that is promising, that is something for which you are very much passionate about. So there are some sort of delay due to your workload, due to your responsibilities maybe. It is also possible that you are already some kind of commitment, some committed relationship you are already in. Still you are not able to enjoy that, or you are not able to fulfill all the obligations, because you already are very much under pressure, under burden due to other things in the life. And I feel in the deep past you have decided something, like you have decided a path for yourself, or maybe you have chosen one in between two things, that can be again relationship, job, anything. So in the past, recent past, there are possibility that you were very much interested to do something, but still couldn't do that because of the all that burden and pressure upon your back, and upon your, even on your nerves as well. But I feel that you are very much picky right now, and you cannot you are very much focused on the small details of the problem, or the situation. You are not looking at the bigger picture. Sometimes what happened that when we see things very closely, then we cannot see that progress which is already there but very slow, and we cannot judge that progress if we are continuously focusing on each and every step. For that purpose, if you really want to see, you really want to see how much progress you have done, then you should consider a longer period of time, like 6 months, 9 months, year. So again, on your mind, there is a very big possibility that you are very much focused about minute details of the things, whatever situation is going on in your life. But this card is suggesting you that rather than fighting with yourself or fighting with other people or struggling here and there, try to draw a bigger picture in front of you, and you should fix milestones according to that picture for coming you should work for the coming 1 year, rather than you are calculating everything on daily basis. Whatever you have chosen, or maybe you have decided that you want to achieve something, or maybe this is your aim for which you are working. I feel the month of August is not that much fruitful for that purpose. But it again, with this card, I feel that your wish is granted, but it will take a bit longer than your expectation. The decision from the divine forces is in your favor. Your prayers are accepted, your wishes are accepted. If there is some sort of reunion you are expecting, I feel that will happen, but not in the month of August, most probably in September. Somehow in the middle of the month you will be able to see this thing clearly, that I'm telling you that things will be more clear for you, or maybe more applicable in the month of September, and you will realize this thing eventually during the middle of the month. You may receive some sort of news, or you may find out a way out, and you really basically you really need to see certain things very clearly, and this will happen during the middle part of the month of August. If you are expecting some sort of journey, traveling, communication with someone special, that also I can tell you that will also take a bit longer time than usual. Apart from regular Rider-Waite tarot deck, I have for you Chakra Wisdom Oracle card, and this is Monology cards from Yasmin Buland. From these two decks I have received for you, the first card is Discovery. Now this Discovery card is telling me that you really need to work on your heart chakra. As you can see this card, you really need to work on your heart chakra. By saying this, we really mean that you need to love yourself. You really need to share your feelings with your loved ones. You really need to appreciate that love that is around you, whether it's the nature or person, some love for the nature, love for your own self, love for the other people, and this love is given to you by divine forces, and there are some you can say you have that divine support behind you. And I really feel that this card is really nice and telling you that love is around you. You really need to see or you really need to focus on the things, so that you can come to know the vibes and the frequency from which you can receive this love. Now what you should do for this, if you are dealing with some person, what you should do for this. The next card from Monology, I have your commitment is being tested. There is something which just has been maybe started, or maybe it will start in the month of August, and this start will definitely this commitment will definitely be tested, means that this commitment is under some sort of pressure. So you really need to work hard, whatever commitment is there, whether you have committed for some specific job, or maybe you have committed yourself for some project, or maybe some relationship. So whatever the burden, how much hard it is, you really need to carry on that, and you will be able to finish till the end of the month most probably. And after that you will get a chance to recover from all this heavy workload which is already there on your head. So this was the reading for Capricorn. I hope you will like this. I will see you next time with the new reading. Take care. Bye.